For these next 4 slides, you're going to be putting the pictures into order, either from shortest to tallest if it's a blue slide, or tallest to shortest if it's a red slide. So let me show you what I mean. Each of these pictures are a different length or a different height. You need to rearrange the pictures and put them in order from shortest, starting on the left. See, it says the word shortest down here, all the way over to the tallest on the right. So if I look at these pictures, I'm going to see that the flower is the shortest. So I'm going to put that here. Then I'm going to look for the next shortest. I know it's not the present, so I'm going to pull that in this way. And I'm going to put the ice cream cone next. It's kind of like making stairs. Then I'm going to see which one would be next. I can see the present's going to be next. Making stairs from the shortest to the tallest. Then I'm going to compare the tree and the Statue of Liberty. And I see Statue of Liberty is the tallest object out of all of them. So then if I did it right, it should be like stairs going up to the right. Now when I do my tallest to shortest, my tallest item over here is going to be on the left. And then it's going to make stairs down to the right. So these stairs climb up, shortest to tallest, and these stairs climb down, tallest to shortest.